scoot over and show a picture of the plant. This is what she's drawing here. That is so cool, Nancy.
Well, yeah, now vertigo. A lot of people going to the
So
park.
what I want to do now is pull out color.
Hey, where you
It's
at?
color swatches. And you can match.
Huh.
I'm looking for a color. It's going to kind of match what I'm doing. It gives me a bigger swatch to match. So looking for kind of a pink and a green to start with. You
Yeah.
always want to have, if you're doing a pink flower, you're always wanting to have some green in that pink and some of the pink in the leaves, so to make it cohesive. So you'll see me put a little pink in the leaves and a little green in the red flowers. So
Okay.
let's give that a try.
Okay. Like, love the weather.
We get admission over here.
I'm using watercolor, but a lot of times I'll use watercolor pencils. Just depends on what I feel like using. But I'm just dropping an initial layer of green right now
What?
for the bottom of these
Right here. My camera's not in here. I want to make sure. I think it might have fallen. on the floor.
these leaves.
I need the key.
I'm going to let that dry. And I'm just trying to get the image down on paper. I'm not really stressing too much about making it perfect. I'm just getting the color in. Sometimes I'll have a butterfly or something land on my drawing. They think it's real. Kind of funny.
Yeah, I saw that fly just come in.
Yeah. So I'm going to kind of wait for that to dry.
Okay.
There's a bee.
Yeah. So we got tickets over here. Yeah.
Do you mind if I take your picture?
No, not at all.
You get your. That's good.
So you can see how it had a little red, even though you could see red down in this plant a little bit. It's just a quick building up of layers of color to add interest. Add a little blue and then I'll be done. Let's see. And that's all I'm gonna do. It's a quick sketch.
Okay, hold it still for a minute. Amazing. Amazing. There's the drawing, and there's the plant. Captured on paper in just a few minutes.
Your
So picture this, at the end of this week, you can have a notebook like this with a lot of this kind of art in it that is your very own. Ha! How amazing will that be? Is there anything else you'd like to say?
You can do it.
You can do
That's
it.
it.